Hi friends, I am Kizar. In today's video, we will see how we can create PayPal account from Pakistan. First of all, we have to go to the PayPal Malaysia. Just click on the very first link. As it opens the PayPal web page, click on the sign up. Click on the business account and click on next. Here you can write the detail why you want to make your account. You can say you on my website via email or as a dropshipper or I'm not sure, none of above. You can mark any of one. And what is your estimated monthly volume? I'm not sure. Click on next. Here it is asking you for your email address. Write your email address on which you want to make your PayPal account. I have just entered my email address and click on continue. Enter the password. Make sure the password you are writing must include one capital letter, numeric words and one special symbol. Click on continue. Now name your business contact. You can name anything, like I'm naming my PayPal, and you can here write your business detail. I'm just writing again my PayPal. Here you can add your phone number. Because we belong to Pakistan and we are making PayPal account from Pakistan, then we will enter Pakistan. Just search Pakistan. Here I selected Pakistan. Enter your business phone number. Now he is asking about your business detail, means address. Actually we open this link from the PayPal Malaysia and we have to enter all the details about the Malaysia. How you can get the link or you can get the address from the Malaysia? Just write Malaysia fake addresses. It will give you the random Malaysia fake addresses. I just click on the very first link. Here I am writing the name of the one of the state of the Malaysia named Johor. Click on generate. Yes. Copy the street address and paste it. Address line 1. District. Town Johor. Copy this and paste it here. Copy the postcode or zip code or paste it here. Town Johor or state, select Johor because we have entered the detail about the Johor, the state of Malaysia. Here is your primary currency detail. You want to get your currency in which format. I want to receive it in US dollar. Click on by clicking agreement and continue. I agree to the user agreement and the privacy statement. Agree and continue. He is asking about the business type. I select the individual or sole proprietorship. Write the keyword. I just writing advertising services. You can select anything or click on continue. Here you can add your date of birth. I'm just enter something. Nationality, we are from Pakistan. we have to click Pakistan, and here you have to add your identity document. You can add your national ID card, license. Let's click on national ID card. Here you have to write your ID card number and home address. Click same as business address that we put it earlier. Here I'm writing my ID card number and I am pausing this video for a second. Click on submit. Now your details have been submitted, and check your Gmail account. You have received 1, even 3 emails from the PayPal. Get started now. Yes, here's an email. It is asking about the confirm your email to activate your account. Click on confirm my email. It's asking about that to write your password. Confirm my email. Now congratulations, your PayPal account has been activated and successfully created. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel. If you like my video, then please hit on like button and share your views in comment, and please share. Thank you.